How to add a YouTube link to a TikTok profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube link to your TikTok profile. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Next, head to your profile page by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the home page. Once you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile. Look for the website option. If you see it, this is where you can add the URL of your YouTube channel or any other link you want to promote. Now, paste the URL of your YouTube link in the designated field. However, if you don't see the option to add a link to your TikTok bio, keep these important points in mind. The only way you can add a clickable link in your TikTok bio is by having a business account. If you don't have one, make sure to switch to a business TikTok account to access this feature. Only business accounts with more than 1,000 followers can access TikTok's link in bio feature. If you have fewer followers, you will need to grow your audience before this option becomes available. You can only add clickable links to your bio through the TikTok mobile app. Therefore, be sure to use your phone rather than a computer to add your bio link. After you've added your YouTube link, make sure to save any changes. Now, your followers can easily access your YouTube channel directly from your TikTok profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.